This is Cincinnati's first and only all-local morning news. Fox 19 Morning News. First, live, local.
All right, thank you very much. You heard the story that we ran earlier this week that plane tickets are going to cost you and planes are going to be more full this summer than in years past. Joining us this morning is Alicia Rockmore, because a lot of people are going to be traveling by car, and you have some tips on how to travel by car with your kids.
Exactly. I mean, summer season, even though it's a little before Memorial Day,
Right.
has started already.
Right.
The first thing that we tell people to do, you're planning a car trip with your kids.
Okay.
Get prepared.
Absolutely.
Take 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and get prepared. And what do you need? It's pretty simple. Flashlight.
Flashlight.
First aid kit.
First aid kit.
A collision kit. And
What is that?
They're available at Target. They're $15. And they're everything you need if you're in a car accident.
Oh, really?
6 million reported car accidents a year.
Okay.
Comes with a camera and all the forms. So
Well,
you
I
fill
love
out one. You give it to the people you're in the accident with. They fill it out. Because when you're in an accident,
You're not thinking straight.
that's exactly it.
Okay.
It's easy to do. And the hammer. Really important.
What is this?
$10. You can pick it up at a Target or a Walmart.
Okay.
Breaks the glass if your car ever goes into a river or a stream.
I've heard about that because it's really hard because of the pressure on the outside. It's hard to actually kick out the window or roll down the window. This will shatter it.
Absolutely.
Got
And
it.
it's got a little blade so you can cut your seatbelt off as well.
I love it. I love it. That is good to have.
Yep. So
That's called the hammer. You can get that at Target too?
Yep.
Okay.
Both
What
at
else?
Target.
What else have you brought?
So you get ready. Then you got to make sure the kids are happy. And you know what? Here's what happens nowadays, because I know I have a 5-year-old. You tend to put the DVD on
and
forget it. And you know what? That's not what car trips are about.
Sure,
You're
'cause
supposed to be enjoying your family.
Because you probably remember like driving across the country with your folks. I mean, it was fun, it was treacherous, it was a good time, and torture at the same time.
Exactly,
You know what I mean?
but you remember it.
You remember it.
Exactly.
Yeah,
So,
okay.
you know, what do you need? If you take a look over here.
Okay, what do we have
Got to
here?
keep the kids happy.
Okay.
You got to have food. And with food and drinks comes wipes and garbage bags.
Ooh, this is good. This is
critical.
good.
Yeah,
That
wipes especially.
And the other thing is I noticed that you guys have a lot of like bite-sized stuff, because I guess you don't want a big bag of snacks and then be forced to like kind of close it up haphazardly, go around a curb and have it all
Also,
fall
with
out.
child obesity these days, it limits the
there you
portion
go.
size.
There you
So
go.
you've
There you
got
go.
portion
Good.
size
Good.
control while you're
Good.
in the car.
Good.
But then go back to what you were saying. Pick the favorite games that you had as a kid. I mean, some of the ones that I like the license plate game.
Absolutely.
You know?
The bug one, when you see a Volkswagen Bug.
I've never done that one.
You don't play that anymore?
No.
Because you don't see as many Volkswagen Bugs on the road as you did in the 70s and early 80s when I was growing up. So yeah, you see a bug and you hit your sister and say, slug bug. Swear to God, did you guys play this game at home? She's never heard of it.
I've never heard of
Okay.
that. The letter game, the alphabet game. So find things outside of the car that start with, A through Z.
Yeah.
There's a game I play with my daughter called Guess Who. So you come up with clues like, I'm yellow and I'm square and I'm a character on Nickelodeon. I'm SpongeBob.
Oh, yeah, sure. In the license plate game, do you look for the states?
You look for the states.
Every state?
Every state.
Do you go in alphabetical order?
Nope, not necessarily. What we tend to do is you get some sort of a list of all the states, and then you can cross them off as you go along. And Alaska and Hawaii are obviously the toughest.
What's the biggest mistake that people make before starting a road trip during the summer with their family, if they're driving to Florida or South Carolina or even to California?
The biggest thing that we see is they don't prepare for stops along the way.
Oh,
so
yeah, sure.
The journey should be part of the fun.
Right.
If you're driving from here down to Orlando to go to Disney World, take the extra day, stop in Atlanta, go to the aquarium. So make fun along the way, because if you don't, it becomes pretty treacherous. You can only spend so much time in the car, even with the people you love.
Yeah. That's really, really true. I want to put some information up on your screen, because if you're interested in finding out more, you can get buttonup.com by going to our website, fox19.com. Alicia Rockmore of getbuttonup.com. Some good advice, because you should learn that the journey is the destination many times.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much. All right.
Thanks a lot.
We have much more coming up.